Welcome to Nicholas Adoko blog series. Is there any benefit to having a Snapchat account? Because of the platform's disappearing pictures, Snapchat acquired a terrible rap in its early days, for being a place where anyone could share inappropriate photos. Snapchat had to fight an uphill battle to reclaim its platform, but it did so by methodically rolling out new features that redeemed it years ago. Snapchat's new features completely changed its platform once it released Snapchat Stories, revamped its photo filters, and added a Discover tab. These developments made Snapchat's early adopters even more enthusiastic about the app, and it began to attract the attention of some of the world's greatest corporations. The app has grown from 127 users in 2011, when it was known as Peekaboo, to turning down a $3 billion offer from everyone's favorite entrepreneur Mark Zuckerberg. Snapchat's platform has continued to evolve to meet the needs of both users and advertisers. The advantages of Snapchat are worth considering if you're seeking for one-on-one communication solutions to engage your audience. The app, which is almost a decade old, has a lot of features to help you better engage your audience, but you might ask if it's worth the time and work it takes to set up another social media platform. With about 332 million daily users, Snapchat is a strong rival among photo sharing and messaging apps. The site is particularly popular among Gen Z users, yet it is used by people of all ages. The platform's immediacy and the fact that snaps vanish after being viewed appeal to the younger generation. Snapchat has a number of unique features that allow you to communicate with your followers on a more intimate level. Businesses can benefit from the app in a number of ways. If you've been considering expanding your brand's social media presence, here are some things to think about as well as the many benefits of Snapchat. Benefits of Snapchat. 1. Drive traffic. Snaps are made to last only a few seconds. You receive an image or video, click on it, and it vanishes in a matter of seconds. Although it may appear to be detrimental, it can really aid traffic flow. Making disappearing snaps gives them a sense of urgency because your audience doesn't want to miss them. You'll be well on your way to boosting visitors to your business if you use them to add individuality, highlight special discounts, and promote exciting events. 2. Boost engagement. This is ideal for marketers who are throwing events, showcasing their business culture, or incorporating them into a larger campaign. On-demand geofilters are available on Snapchat, allowing you to build bespoke filters that others can use. Attendees and company employees alike may use your filter to take photos and post them anywhere they wish, increasing engagement. You have a good chance of being spotted because the average daily Snapchat user opens the camera more than 20 times each day. 3. Get personal. Personalization has been a buzzword in recent years. How can you give each user a more personalized experience and meet them where they are? Snapchat has the advantage of allowing you to share images of your workday, corporate history, and major events. Snapchat is not like other social media networks like Facebook or LinkedIn. While other social media networks provide opportunities to market your company on a professional page, Snapchat allows you to share your narrative and get thousands of new followers. You may even invite local celebrities and well-known athletes to take over your account to generate interest. Don't be scared to talk about the difficulties you've faced. Allow your fans to see you at your most vulnerable. It won't last long, and they'll feel like they know you better and understand your point of view. 4. Encourage word-of-mouth marketing. Word-of-mouth marketing is a powerful tool for smart business owners. Referrals from people who already enjoy what you do have a far greater impact than any advertisement you could run as a business. Snapchat will provide you with benefits such as consumer retention and loyalty. People will start talking about you and what you do if you create a distinctive vibe on the platform. You'll get popularity and fame as a result of your efforts. You must be meticulous and devise campaigns that are distinct from those used by other firms in your field, but the return is more fans. The idea is to build a street team of fans who aren't hesitant to tell their friends about you. Give a shout out to people who assist spread the word about your business. Look for ways to entice people to participate, such as contests and freebies. 5. Connect with a younger demographic. Snapchat can also help you grow your following. You can reach a new group of young, hip followers that you wouldn't have been able to reach on previous platforms. You can utilize the platform to engage Gen Z, whether you want to develop an existing firm or you're a startup with a younger buyer persona. According to Statista, there are more women on Snapchat than men, with 12% between the ages of 13 and 17 and another 11.7% between the ages of 25 and 34. Snapchat users are less likely to be active on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. It's critical to diversify your efforts over multiple platforms as your time and budget permit in order to reach the greatest possible variety of potential clients. 6. Show your current. Having a business account on Snapchat demonstrates that you know what your target audience appreciates and that you're up to date on the most popular social media platforms. Spend some time looking at other brands, following them, and getting a sense of the kinds of images they post. You can also sponsor a filter if you want to get some extra exposure. Use user-generated content, UGC, to get your customers on board. For example, hold a contest in which the individual who takes the most photos wins the UGC contest and receives a prize. To get the word out on the platform, think outside the box and implement innovative marketing methods. 7. Offer another way to consume content. You presumably already have a number of options to publish content for your audiences, such as blogs, ebooks, LinkedIn postings, and videos. It's likely that your competitors are doing the same. Why not take your content and social media marketing efforts to the next level by using Snapchat to create even more interesting material? You can make your material stand out with features like sketching over snaps, adding music, and polling. Final thoughts. Snapchat, an image-based platform akin to Instagram, provides a fun way to communicate with others and organizations. It is currently expanding and building its identity, just like other new social media sites, therefore demographic access is limited. Snap generates a modern mood with unique outreach potential that everyone should consider, regardless of whether they utilize it for personal or professional purposes.
Kindly like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content. After subscribing, click on the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful. Let me tell you a little bit about Nicholas Adoko Technologies. We help businesses and companies build an online presence by developing web, mobile, desktop, and blockchain applications. As a company, we work with your budget in developing your ideas and projects beautifully and elegantly, as well as participate in the growth of your business. We do a lot of freelance work in various sectors such as blockchain, booking, e-commerce, education, online games, voting and payments. Our ability to provide the needed resources to help clients develop their software packages for their targeted audience on schedule is unmatched. Be sure to contact us if you need our services. We are readily available. Contact us via our website at nicholasadoko.com.